Yeah, hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. As you can see, we are today again on Condado de Alhama and we are exactly on Naranjos Garden 4. No doubt one of the most sought after gardens here on our beautiful resort. And I'm going to show you today a 3-bed, 1-bathroom ground floor apartment located here with a southwestern aspect. As you can see, it's pretty sunny still. It's 5 o'clock now here in Spain. Sorry. And, well, I just wanted to show you the garden and what shall I say? The tranquility, the quietness, the luxury we enjoy here every day, being allowed to work here and be on site on Condado de Alhama. But let's walk into this property and just walking onto the terrace area here. As you can see, it's quite a big terrace, as always. The ground floor terraces in front are all nearly the same size, big enough to swing the alligator. And this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment is offered as seen, with all the mod cons, with all the furnishing included. For example, they've extended here the tiling, which is normally goes only up to the limit here. They have tiled the entire terrace, which makes even more livable space here. And I think it's quite a nice approach. Just gobsmacked by the sundown, so you maybe noticed that I'm pretty slow today. It's an amazing situation here. I'm enjoying here the sun still. It's about 19 degrees, 18 degrees today in the sunshine. So we had a beautiful day today, blue sky all day. So really worthwhile doing it. But let's walk into the property and I'll show you how this looks from the inside. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, fitted kitchen, fully furnished, air conditioning in living room and 2 of the 3 bedrooms, fully furnished, equipped with television, as well as the kitchen is entirely equipped with washing machine, fridge, freezer, cooker, oven, extractor fan, and all the other mod cons, microwave, kettle, toaster, and all that. And, well, it can't get any better, I would say. Let's continue. From the living room kitchen, we now come to the master bedroom. Here we go. Thanks to the key holder of this property, they have prepared it really, really great. Who is the key holder, Anna, here? Was it Sparkle?
Yes.
Yes. So congrats to the Sparkle team. This really looks great. Thank you very much. We are in the master bed of this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And you are watching another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. You find this apartment and many more on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And we are now on the back terrace, which is overlooking the campo here to say. In the background, we have the Sierra de Carrascoy, beautiful area up there. So, and as you can see, blue skies today, it's really amazing. Quite a big terrace here. On Naranjos 4, the back terraces, many of them, are nearly double the size of a normal back terrace here on Condado. So it's quite ample. We do see here the air conditioning unit and the washing machine, which is quite handy out here. So it's much easier to dry the linen just beside the washing machine. So we come back to the master bedroom. As you can see, air conditioning fitted wardrobes. And all what we see is what we get with this beautiful property here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, presented to you in a virtual open house by qualityhomescostacalida.com. This is now the 2nd bedroom, as well fitted with, as we see, 2 single beds, bedside table, fitted wardrobes, and again, air conditioning. Excuse me. We come to the bathroom, fitted with extractor fan, bathtub, glass shower screen, hand wash basin, and all this other stuff is as always. So it's a normal bathroom to say. The property as is in very good nick, I have to say. I don't think it was rented very much. I think it was rather just used by the owners themselves. The reference for this property is exactly to find on our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com.
It is coming up.
It's coming up now. As you can see,
I left my phone at home, so...
Rupert hasn't prepared himself today, so I don't have the reference, which is normally noted on my hand, and the hand is now empty today.
3647.
So the reference is 3647 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, and the asking price, Anna will tell us now as well, the asking price?
87,000.
87,000. Well, that's a good starting point, yeah? That's a really good starting point for a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here on Naranjos 4 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. As I said, it's one of the most sought after gardens here. Very simple, the reason why, because we are just in between the commercial or social center Alcázar and the golf course. So we have the golf course in walking distance, as well as we have the supermarket, the pubs and all that, as well in walking distance. Hence, these gardens, especially in Naranjos 2, 4, 5 and 6, are the most sought after and also producing the highest values at the moment, also in resales. So location-wise, as you know, there is only 3 things important for a property, which is location, location and location. So, and I think here we are really in a top location to say. Just let me walk out here. Hopefully the Wi-Fi signal goes that far so I can show you the property from this side. So we are ideally positioned, the car park is over there, just walking distance to your property, and from here again it's walking distance to the community pool, which is just here opposite. Apart from that, beautiful trees here. The gardeners are really doing a great job here in Condado de Alhama. I'm not stopping saying that because I really think that it's worthwhile mentioning these people from STV. They're here every day, Monday to Saturday, and doing a really fantastic job and keep our pools, our gardens, and many other things here on site in shape. So thanks very much to the guys from STV, because I really think they're doing a great job. Okay, having seen this, we have a quick stroll again through the property. It's just great out here on the terrace. I wished you could be here with me and just enjoy the sunshine, or better said, nearly the sundown. As we said, it's 19 degrees at the moment, and we're here in the southeast of Spain. It's a great day today with blue skies, and we are back in the living room of this property here on reference 3647 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. This is the entrance to the 3rd bedroom. What we see here are the remote controls for the air conditioning and for the ceiling fan. Kitchen, as we said, is fully fitted with fridge, freezer, dishwasher, microwave, oven hob extractor fan, and as well there is already a water filter installed, which is very handy, as you know. Having seen this, we come back to the master bedroom, which is connected directly to the back terrace in this case. Here we see the master bedroom again, fitted wardrobes, air conditioning. And on the back terrace, again, here we go with the Sierra de Carrasco in the background, some campo between here and the outer ring road. It's a big terrace, as we said, and nearly double the size of a normal terrace. And many people just had put a door in here, which you can do with the permission of the community, so you could access also your car directly from your property, which is also could be quite handy when you arrive with your suitcases or just with the normal shopping. So this is an option. It's not very expensive, and on the other side really would increase even the comfort of this apartment. So we've seen the master bedroom. Now let me show you the 2nd bedroom again. Here we go with 2 single beds. Property is sold as seen, fully equipped and fully fitted with air conditioning, furnishing, fitted kitchen, bathroom. So it's ready to move in. And we continue again to the bathroom. Here we go. Glass shower screen, bathtub, extractor fan, as we hear. I hope you can hear it when I turn it off. Yeah. There we go. Amazing what these cameras are doing now, no? Here we go with the 3rd bedroom. Again, we have Anna here sitting, working with me today. Thank you very much. Anna's our listing agent and the expert for properties on site. So in case you think of selling your property, just get in touch with us and we'll take care of it. Paul, greetings from sunny Spain to say sorry. Windy now. I mean, it's nearly spring now. Paul, come on. It's nearly spring now. It can't be always windy. There we go. Okay, having said that, just let me go back to the main terrace here. Here we go. So, as you can see, that's my favorite place now, because out here. It's a glorious day today. We have as we said, beautiful weather. The weekend doesn't look that good, to be honest. As of tomorrow afternoon, we expect some rain, but in the meantime, we enjoy the sunshine. The rain is also very good for the golf course. As you know, the golf course most probably will open in June. And we have seen already yesterday that they're announcing even a golf tournament for September. So September, October, I don't know yet now. So I think this really is a good sign. It means that also the owner has now plans to reopen the course. What I've seen today in the morning after the rainfall of the 2 days is that the greens are in pretty good nick, and also most of the tees look already pretty green. So I don't know if this is just maybe my personal impression or my built-in optimism as a estate agent, I don't know. But I do see that there is progress. Fingers crossed, and as we always say, seeing is believing. So, well, I think this is a very nice property. It's reference 3647 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, where you find all details, pictures, virtual tour of this beautiful property. Asking price is €87,000. And I'm looking forward to your emails, to your phone calls, to arrange a viewing, obviously without any obligation. And maybe you fall in love with the place. Let's see what's coming up. Well then, this was it for today. I may thank you very much for your attention and for accompanying me today to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. I wish you a pleasant weekend. I'm looking forward to see you next week again. Take care, have fun, ciao.